In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use related databases in Notion for tasks. By the end, you'll know how to connect your tasks to another database like projects or clients, so everything stays in sync without duplicate entries. Start by opening your tasks database. At the top of your properties panel, click the plus icon to add a new property. This is where you decide what kind of information each task can store. From the property types, choose relation. A relation links entries in your current database to entries in another database, which is perfect for tying tasks to the bigger items they belong to. Next, select the database you want to connect to. You can search for it by name, and it should be in the same workspace for the best results. Once you've picked it, enable the two-way relation option. Turning this on means the link works in both directions. Not only will tasks point to a project, but the project will automatically show which tasks are connected to it. This keeps context consistent wherever you're working. Give the relation a clear, helpful name. For example, if you're linking tasks to a project's database, you might name it project or related project. So it's obvious to anyone using the database what the connection represents. When you're happy with the name, click Add Relation to create the property. Now let's use it. In your tasks database, find the new relation column you just added and click the empty cell in a tasks row. A picker will appear with pages from the connected database. Select the page you want to relate to this task, maybe a specific project. As soon as you choose it, the link is created and displayed in the tasks relation cell. To confirm it's truly connected both ways, click the linked database from that relation to jump over and view the other side. You'll see the relation property there as well, showing the task you just connected. That visibility is the real advantage of a two-way setup. No matter which database you're in, you can trace how everything fits together. That's all it takes. You added a relation property, connected it to the right database, made it two-way for automatic backlinks, named it clearly, and then related a task to a page so the connection is visible on both sides. With this in place, you can keep tasks aligned with projects, reduce manual cross-referencing, and keep your workspace organized and trustworthy.